5,038 kilometers, which is about, I don't know what, about 3,600 miles, something like that. Hardly used, really. So we'll try this again. So key on. And there you go. That would be your pump cycling. So here's what's left of the fuel pump. And the fuel filter in the bottom here is just falling right apart. Well, actually, look at that. It's just crumbles. So these little pumps, they don't always fail outright. A lot of times you'll find what happens with these is you got low fuel pressure. And if you're on the throttle and it just doesn't have the oomph that it used to, or it's sputtering, or it falls flat after a certain RPMs, we're talking about fuel injected bikes, obviously, these can be suspect too. They just won't put out the pressure anymore.